In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booking Calendar add-on on Google Forms. If you handle appointments, interviews, or coaching sessions, this add-on turns a basic form into a lightweight scheduler that writes bookings straight to your Google Calendar. I'll guide you through installing it, setting your availability, and testing the sync so your form starts capturing appointments clearly and reliably. First, open your Google form, with the form on screen. Go to the top right and click the 3 vertical dots labeled More. Then choose Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace window that appears, use the search bar to find Booking Calendar. Select it, click Install and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to grant permissions so the add-on can connect to your Google account and manage events on your behalf. Approve those so it can create calendar entries from form submissions. When installation finishes, you'll be returned to your form and the add-on will be available from the toolbar. Next, configure the add-on. Click the add-ons icon, the small puzzle piece at the top of your form, and select Booking Calendar. Choose Configure to open the Setup menu. Connect your Google Calendar, and if you have multiple calendars, pick the one you want to use for these bookings. Now define your available time slots by choosing the days and hours you want to accept appointments. And set your service durations so the add-on knows how long each booking should be. It helps to match your time zone and consider any breaks you need between appointments to prevent back-to-back scheduling. Customize the booking form fields so respondents provide the details you need, such as their name and how to reach them. You can make fields required to ensure you receive complete information every time. Once saved, the add-on will automatically populate your form with a new drop-down or choice field that lists your available slots. Use Form Preview to confirm the booking field appears and that the options reflect your availability. If you don't see expected times, double-check the calendar selection, time window, and duration settings in the configuration. Finally, test the full flow. Submit a test response by selecting an available slot. Then open Google Calendar to verify that the appointment has been created on the correct calendar at the right time with the details you captured. This quick check ensures your setup is working before you share the form widely. You can remove the test event afterward. That's it, your Google form is now ready to accept real bookings that sync to your calendar. Thanks for watching.